Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to view downloads in YouTube Music app, and now let's dive right in. Now to view all of your downloads in the YouTube Music app, first open up your YT Music app on your phone. And after opening the YouTube Music app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the library option available for us just beside the Explore. Tap on the library option at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you'll land over here where at the top left corner of the screen you can see currently we are on the downloads over here. But if you are currently on your library like this, all of your downloads might not be shown over here. Tap on the library at the top right corner of the screen and make sure to switch to the downloads button over here. And with that being done, guys, all of your downloads on your YT Music app will be over here. And guys, this is how to view the downloads in YT Music app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.